Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing us 3 ways to add tooltip to our report. So what are tooltips? Tooltips are descriptions that shows what your data or what your analysis is based on. So for example, if I go to this chart, I have patient by doctor. So the default tooltip is going to be doctor and patient. So what it means is that this particular bar is showing the doctor and the total patient that this doctor attended to. So Michael Smith attended to 27 patients. So that is the default tip based on the chart, based on what I used to build this chart. That is the default tip. For example, you can decide to add more tooltip to this particular visual. So once this chart is selected, you can come to my I can scroll down and go to this tooltip part. Then I can decide to add total billing, and I can decide to add okay, I think that it has total billing already. So I can decide it is okay, patient by doctor. So I can decide to add total billing to my tooltip. I can decide to add average billing to my tooltip too. So by default now, if I scroll on this visual, I'll have more information. So Michael Smith is attending to 27 patients, and the total billing Michael Smith generated is that amount, 784,000. Then the average billing is 29,000 and so amount based on what I added. So this is the first way to add tooltip to your visual. The second way is to create a tooltip page. So I'll go ahead and create a tooltip page. I created a new page. Then I'll rename this page to tooltip. I'll rename this page to tooltip, and I'll go to the format your visual, go to canvas settings. Then I want to select a type. I want to select a tooltip type page. Then afterwards, I just want to build a simple visual by selecting average billing by the admission type, and I want to change this to a pie chart. So after changing to a pie chart, I'll just do a simple editing. I don't want my legends, and I want my data labels to be the category and percentage of total. So here is more descriptive. So for this visual now, I have average billing by admission type. So I can go to this chart. I'll select another chart. Since I've worked on this one, let me select this one. I'll select this one. So what do I want to do? Still under this visual, I'll go to the format your visual part. I'll go to general. Then I have this tooltip under the general. So under the general, I'll go to tooltip, and I have the option type. We have the report page and we have the default. I will keep it at the report page, and the page I want is the tooltip page. Instead of the automatic page, I want the tooltip page. So now when I hover around this visual, I can see that the average billing by hospital type that the Austin hospital is generating is this amount. So I can see a further description based on my selection. So that's another way to add a tooltip to your visual. That's another way to add a tooltip to your visual. So the third one is I already have a tooltip page here. So I already have a tooltip page here. So I already have a tooltip page here. So my tooltip page is average billing by admission. I can go to my measures and decide to add total billing, or let me add patient to my tooltip for this visual. So I've added patient to my tooltip for this visual. So what I used to build this visual is average billing by admission, but I went ahead and under my tooltip, after selecting this visual, I added patient. So what happens is that when I go to any visual that I've built previously that has patients on it, this tooltip is going to show. So let's go to my admission type. Let me go to this visual. So now we can see that we have average billing by admission type. So what it means here is that okay, it will also work for this, it will work for this. Let me just place this back. So we have it. So we have average billing by admission type. So this is another way to add tooltip to your visual. So I hope you find this interesting and educative. If you find it interesting, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, learn with us, and let's grow together. Thank you.